short tip is for those of you who own a 10 to 15-year-old Mercedes and you've struggled trying to get these intake tubes on and off your car. It's a lot of the problems are due to the age of the plastic getting hard, and you'd swear sometimes trying to yank these off, how in the world did they expect this to get loose? This is so hard now. Now on this GLK 250, we had to use 2 or 3 screwdrivers to spread this right here to get this off the intake elbow into the airbox. So what I do when I'm working on these cars is, number one, take a little bit of silicone dielectric grease, and on the rubber pieces that these airboxes snap into, put just a little bit of silicone on there. Put a little bit of silicone on any pins, for instance, that lock in the airbox. Then when you get ready to put this plastic back on, you're going to take and we're going to clean these edges. And after I clean these edges, we're going to put a special compound on there so you'll be able to get these off more easily in the future. You want these surfaces clean just because dirt isn't going to help you get them off. So I'm going to use silicone dielectric grease and put a small film on this surface right here. I know some of you are thinking, oh no, don't do that, it'll fall off. No, it's not going to fall off. You can just barely get these off even with a little bit of silicone on there. But this will help the next time you go to remove this from your engine. You can see here where you had to do some prying to get this off. Somebody did. And I had to also. Now let's snap this in. It just pops right in. Look at that. And then we'll come over here, wiggle it, locked in. All right. Next time we go to remove this, it's going to be much easier.